Hello everyone, today I am going to show you a recipe for German apple cake. Now this is my variation on a Rick Stein recipe, and of course Rick Stein has German ancestry. I have switched out the flour for gluten-free flour. I have also switched out butter for Flora Buttery. I have also switched out the golden caster sugar for vanilla sugar. I made this sugar myself, emptying the contents of a packet of some white caster sugar and adding a used vanilla pod. And this cake turns out really yummy, so I hope you enjoy it just as much as Dan and I.